Investors are still pricing in the announcement made by the Fed Chair Jerome Powell. He said that it was better not to take knee-jerk decisions concerning a rise in the key interest rate. That's why traders are selling off the US dollar. As the result, the euro and the pound sterling are gaining in value despite rather weak macroeconomic data. Thus, the Eurozone inflation accelerated to 3% from 2.2%, whereas economists had expected a small increase to 2.7%. The fact is that inflation is growing really fast. That's why economists began doubting a healthy economic recovery both in the Eurozone and the whole world. What's more, the future of the euro and other currencies depends on the European Central Bank. In fact, the ECB has nothing to do but to follow the Fed's actions and announce a gradual tightening of the monetary policy. Notably, the regulator avoids such measures as they may lead to a graver economic slump. However, the inflation growth is spiraling out of control and requires urgent measures. Let us take a look at the trading charts. After the recent stagnation near the level of 1.18, the euro-dollar pair managed to form an upward impulse. On the chart, we can see that the upward movement began during the Asian trading session amid the absence of news and low trading volumes. It means that the rise was caused by high speculative activity and is likely to be a short-lived phenomenon. The inertial jump has already led to the overbought status of the euro. In this case, there are two possible scenarios. The first one is based on the downtrend locked at the beginning of June. The fact is that the current correctional movement has almost lost its momentum. It means that it may end soon and the pair may start falling. The forecast will come true if the price fixes below 1.1800 to decline to 1.1760 and 1.1700. According to the second scenario, the pair will continue climbing amid high speculative activity that may last despite the overbought conditions. As a result, the pair will move towards 1.19. At the same time, the pound-dollar pair has approached the resistance level of 1.38. As a result, the currency became overbought, which in turn may lead to a drop in the volume of long positions. Notably, the resistance level is still exerting pressure on buyers. In case of a pullback, the price may slide to 1.3735. The alternative scenario will become possible only if the pair consolidates above 1.3830. In this case, the downward movement from 1.40 may lose momentum. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.